With a budget of $1,000, you can start a variety of small businesses that can be profitable if planned and executed well. Here are some ideas that might help you. Small online store. Description: sell specific products online such as clothing, accessories, home goods, or handmade items. Cost: purchase products in small quantities, create a website, or use e-commerce platforms like Shopify or Etsy. Shipping costs. Tips: choose unique products, focus on quality photography and display, target a specific audience. Food delivery service. Description: offer home or office food delivery services, specializing in a certain type of food like desserts, healthy meals, or local cuisine. Food delivery service. Description: offer home or office food delivery services, specializing in a certain type of food like desserts, healthy meals, or local cuisine. Reselling products online. Description: buy products in bulk and resell them on sites like eBay, Amazon, or even via social media. Cost: purchase products in small quantities, shipping costs, platform selling fees. Tips: choose high-demand products, target markets with supply shortages. T-shirt designing and printing. Description: create unique t-shirt designs and sell them online or at local markets. Cost: buy white t-shirts, printing costs, can use print-on-demand services. Tips: look for distinctive designs that appeal to a specific audience. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to reduce costs. Graphic design freelancing. Description: offer graphic design services to individuals and small businesses, such as logo, cards, website, and print designs. Cost: purchase design software, like Adobe Creative Cloud, and a suitable computer. Graphic design freelancing. Tips: build a strong portfolio. Market your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Freelancer. 6. Electronic device repair. Description: provide repair services for smartphones, tablets, and computers. Cost: purchase necessary repair tools. Marketing costs. Tips: learn repair skills through online courses. Offer guarantees to attract customers. 7. Home gardening. Description: grow vegetables or herbs in the home garden or on the roof and sell them to neighbors or local markets. Cost: purchase seeds, soil, basic gardening tools. Tips: choose short growth cycle plants. Use organic techniques to attract health-conscious customers. 8. Private tutoring. Description: offer private lessons in academic subjects or skills such as English, math, or coding. Cost: minimal marketing costs, teaching tools if needed. Tips: focus on your areas of expertise. Use social media to attract students. Digital content creation. Description: create digital content like videos, blogs, or podcasts, then monetize through ads or sponsorships. Cost: purchase simple recording equipment, website hosting if needed.